Hello, this is MSK Entertainment Films, and you're watching Ielts Tips and Tricks. Today we are going to talk about how to solve or mark true, false, and not given, as this is one of the essential question of Ielts reading, and most of the students make mistakes in this. So, I am going to give you a trick which will work around 80% in the IELTS reading true, false, and not given. So let's see what are these. So as you know, the most essential question of IELTS is true, false, and not given. So let's first discuss and see how to select true option. The true option can be selected on these bases. If there is some in the sentence, if there is most, may, sometimes, frequently, certain, is possible, and can. If the sentence contain these words, then you can mark it true. But I am again telling you this that it will work 80%. Like when you are out of time, so you can apply this technique in selecting the true option and it will work for you. So let's move ahead and see the next. So the next thing is how to select the false option. The false option can be selected by these options. Like if there is fully in the sentence, completely, all or entirely is there in the sentences, or always is there, is crucial, little, never, any, whole, must, only, is significant. Like there, if a sentence is given to you and there is a doubt of even 0.1% or 1%, so then in that case you can select false option. And these words you can see when you are out of time. Let's move ahead and see how to select not given option. The not given option can be selected on these bases. If there is a comparison between two things, like something is bigger than something, population is less than this country, or America population is higher than Canada's population, similarly London population. So in that case you can select not given, and keep in mind not given is always and mostly in the passage it's not given, like that sentence is not present in that passage, so in that case you can choose the not given option. Like as I have mentioned in here, it's not given in the passage, but if it's there and the sentence in the question is given that you are comparing two things and it might not be present in that passage, so in that case you can select not given. Let's move ahead, and I want you that subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more videos and to know the tips and tricks for IELTS. The channel name is MSK Entertainment Films. I hope you enjoy the video and I want that you subscribe this channel. Thank you.